Hi everyone, I'm back with some more Smiskis. I got 4 boxes of the series 1 and I'm gonna open them for you. Okay, so there are 6 kinds of Smiskis with a secret. I only have 4 boxes, so I'm just hoping that I don't get duplicates because I had to randomly pick them. And it's all in Japanese, so let's see whether the booklet inside has some English words. Yes, okay. So for series 1s, we're gonna have a Smiski hugging knees, Smiski lounging, Smiski sitting, Smiski hiding, Smiski peeking, and Smiski looking back. Let's see which one we get. Yeah, this is the only English words I can find. Okay, first one is Smiski sitting. So this one you would put on a shelf or on something like so. Whoops, I think this is not stable enough for him. Yep, too heavy. I need to put on something more stable. Okay, next one is Smiski lounging. Look at him chilling and lying down. Okay. That one? This one is Smiski peeking, I think. Yep, I verified. It's peeking. So you put him standing at the side. He's like peeking out. Okay, last one. Oh. I'm hoping I do not get a duplicate. Hoping. Oh, nice! I didn't get any duplicates in this 4. This is Smiski hugging knees. He's hugging his knees. Okay, and I noticed that they have words on the bottom of their feet. Dreams 2015, made in China. Wow, this series was from 2015. Okay. Next, I'm gonna glow them and show it to you. Okay, the Smiskis are all glowing in the dark now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!